In this video, I'll talk about how you can earn money on Webull. Now, there are some ways that you can actually get free money using Webull. Now, let me talk about them. First of all, there is usually a sign-up bonus. This is not all the time, but usually there's a sign-up bonus. But keep in mind, for any of these to work, you need to be located in America. If you're not from USA, you cannot usually receive these offers. But most of the time, there will be a sign-up bonus. And this is how you can claim it. Just sign up and complete. This will give you a free stock valued between $3,000 to $3,000. Now the next one will be a first deposit offer. Now sometimes they launch a promotion where if you deposit any amount, you're gonna receive additional free stocks. So it's the same here. Just create your account, fund it, and you will get extra stocks. Now the third one, and this might be the best one, is it's like affiliate marketing. It's called the referral bonus. So this means when you have your own account and you'll have a unique referral link, a unique invite link on your account. Once you share this link with anyone and they sign up and they deposit some money, then you will receive free stocks. So how this works is you're gonna head over to the Webull app, copy your link, and then you're just going to share it with your friends, or if you have a following somewhere, you can promote it there. And when they sign up and deposit funds, you will both get free stocks. And you can do this with how many people you want. So if you do it to 100 people, you might get 100 or 200 extra stocks. And like I said, they can be valued at over $100 or even up to $1,000. So that's a good way that you can earn money on Webull. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.